Meet the Airthings 2960 View Plus, the ultimate battery-powered radon and air quality monitor for your home or office. This device continuously tracks the air you breathe, ensuring your environment stays safe and healthy. With always-on sensors, the View Plus measures radon gas, PM 2.5, carbon dioxide, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. It's designed to give you real-time insights into your indoor air quality, all at a glance. Connect it to Wi-Fi and monitor your air quality anytime, anywhere. Get instant notifications through the Airthings app, tracking pollutants and contaminants before they become a problem. Did you know radon is the #1 cause of lung cancer among non-smokers? The Airthings View Plus gives you peace of mind with its highly accurate digital radon detector. Setting up the View Plus is quick and easy. It's completely battery-powered, meaning you can place it anywhere without messy cables. Plus, with its customizable ink screen, you can adjust the display to show the data that matters most to you. Trusted by over 1 million users and backed by a 5-year warranty, the Airthings 2960 View Plus helps you take control of your indoor air health. Breathe easy with smarter air quality monitoring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home tech reviews.